In 2026, Russia's Ministry of Industry and Trade launched one of its most ambitious microelectronics projects. The goal is to develop a domestic automated system for overlay control in semiconductor manufacturing. Altitude Addicts, the YouTube channel presenting this analysis, explains that the contract was awarded to the Zelenograd-based company Micron. This company is a key player in Russia's semiconductor industry. The project is named Luchnik, which translates to Archer. It is scheduled for completion by July 31st, 2029. The aim is to replicate and eventually replace foreign systems. In particular, it targets the Archer 10XT platform developed by an American company. Altitude Addicts notes that this effort is part of a broader push for technological independence. Reducing reliance on foreign semiconductor tools has become a strategic priority. To understand the project's importance, it is necessary to look at its core objective. The system focuses on achieving extreme precision in chip manufacturing. Overlay accuracy refers to how precisely one layer of a chip aligns with previous layers. Modern microchips are built layer by layer. Each layer contains complex circuit patterns. These must align within a few nanometers. Altitude Addicts explains that even tiny misalignments can cause defects. This reduces manufacturing yield. The new system measures these alignment errors. It uses special marks embedded in the wafer. Based on this data, the lithography process can be corrected. This ensures accurate placement of future layers. In simple terms, the machine acts as a high-precision diagnostic tool. It continuously monitors and corrects production. Altitude Addicts highlights that the technical requirements are extremely demanding. The system must support wafers of 150 millimeters and 200 millimeters. It must also handle process nodes as small as 130 nanometers. These are widely used in industrial electronics. Performance is equally critical. The system should process at least 75 wafers per hour. This creates a balance between speed and precision. Achieving both is a major engineering challenge. The system uses an optical column with an interferometer. This scans wafer structures with high accuracy. A high-precision stage positions the wafer. It operates at nanometer-level accuracy. Altitude Addicts explains that machine vision algorithms process alignment data. These systems analyze images in real time. The reference point for this project is the Archer 10XT system. This is widely used in semiconductor manufacturing. The project name Luchnik directly mirrors Archer. This reflects the goal of creating a domestic equivalent. Altitude Addicts notes that replicating such a system is extremely complex. It requires advanced optics, mechanics, and software. The engineering challenges span multiple disciplines. Optics is one of the most demanding areas. The system must detect extremely fine features on wafers. This requires high-resolution optical components. Mechanical engineering presents another challenge. The wafer stage must move with extreme precision. Even small vibrations can cause errors. Stability is essential. Altitude Addicts explains that control systems are also critical. The machine must constantly adjust in real time. This requires fast sensors and reliable algorithms. Everything must work together seamlessly. Machine vision adds another layer of complexity. The system must analyze images quickly and accurately. These calculations must be completed within milliseconds. Speed is crucial for production. Altitude Addicts highlights the most demanding requirement. The system's measurement error must be smaller than the errors it detects. This creates extremely strict precision standards. Every component must meet them. Another important feature is dual wafer compatibility. The system must handle 2 wafer sizes. This increases design complexity. Calibration must remain accurate for both sizes. Altitude Addix explains that this flexibility is necessary. Russia uses a mix of production technologies. Beyond development, integration into real factories is another challenge. Semiconductor environments are highly sensitive. Temperature changes and vibrations can affect performance. The system must remain stable. It must also operate automatically. Human intervention should be minimal. Altitude Addix notes that seamless communication with other machines is essential. The system must integrate into production lines. Micron plays a unique role in this project. It is both developer and user. The company operates its own semiconductor production lines. This allows real-world testing. Altitude Addix explains that this feedback loop improves development. Engineers can refine the system continuously. The broader significance of the project is strategic. It reduces dependence on foreign technology. Overlay metrology is a critical part of chip production. Reliance on external systems creates vulnerability. Altitude Addix highlights that domestic development strengthens the entire ecosystem. It ensures continuity of production. However, the challenges are significant. Developing such systems requires years of expertise. The timeline extends to mid-2029. This reflects the complexity of the project. Success will depend on engineering skill, resources, and coordination. Many factors must align. In conclusion, the Luchnik project represents a major step forward. It targets one of the most complex areas of semiconductor manufacturing. Altitude Addix concludes that the benefits could be significant. These include improved reliability and greater independence. As the project progresses, it will serve as a key test of domestic capability. Its outcome will shape the future of Russia's microelectronics industry. If you liked the video, please subscribe, share, and like. Also, please take the membership of Altitude Addix to encourage us.